There's 4 Victolic wheels. This one here I would say would be in the best shape, but they're kind of handy to have a machine shop milling out some of those. A guy with a CNC machine maybe. Here's 2 used striker bars. These are parts for the idlers on the tub. Here's some number 140 chain with a master link. A bunch of extra bolts for the teeth. There is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 used teeth. These are for the idlers on the tub that hold it to the proper elevation. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. That would, a few more and you could redo the whole machine. There's 24 brand new teeth right here. These are the springs for the chain adjustment on the tub. They're brand new, and there's a brand new set on there. Here's an extra hydraulic motor. This hydraulic motor will go on the conveyor or the drive augers. There's some brand new bolts. Here's 2 hubs for the gauge wheels. This one here is in really good shape. This one here needs a little bit of work. Here's an extra set of screens. And that should do. Here's the 12 hammers for the mill head that I didn't videotape yesterday.